What's worse, a rough idle isn't just annoying, it's your car's cry for help. Ignore it and you could be looking at hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs down the line. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. A rough idle is one of those annoying car problems that can make your daily drive feel like a roller coaster ride, and not the fun kind. But don't worry. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 symptoms of a rough idle, and more importantly, how you can fix it yourself and get your car running smoother than ever. Let's dive in. Alright, first things first. What exactly is a rough idle? Simply put, it's when your car's engine isn't running smoothly when you are stopped or parked. Instead of that steady hum, it feels like your car is having a little temper tantrum. And trust me, it's not just annoying, it could be a sign of something bigger going on under the hood. So, let's start with the top 5 symptoms to look out for. If your car is doing any of these, you have got a rough idle on your hands. The first symptom, shaking or vibrations. If your steering wheel, seats, or even the whole car feels like it's doing the cha-cha when you are stopped, that's a classic sign of a rough idle. It's like your car is saying, hey, something's not right here. The next symptom, uneven RPM. Take a look at your tachometer. If the needle is bouncing up and down like it's at a dance party instead of staying steady, your engine is struggling to find its rhythm. The third symptom, strange noises. A strange noise accompanied by a rough idle in your car could indicate a variety of issues, most commonly related to problems with the fuel system, ignition system, like worn spark plugs, vacuum leaks, or a clogged air filter, which can all disrupt the proper air-fuel mixture, leading to uneven combustion and unusual sounds while idling. The fourth symptom, check engine light on. The dreaded check engine light. If this little guy pops on along with a rough idle, it's your car's way of screaming, "Fix me, please." Don't ignore it. And finally, stalling. If your car keeps shutting off when you're idling, that's a major red flag. It's like your engine is saying, "I give up." And trust me, you don't want that. Okay, now that you know the symptoms, let's talk about how to fix it. The good news is many rough idle issues are DIY friendly. Here are the top fixes you can try at home. Clean or replace the air filter. First, check your air filter. A dirty air filter can choke your engine, making it run rough. If it's clogged, clean it or replace it. It's an easy fix that can make a huge difference. Inspect the spark plugs. Next, spark plugs. Worn or fouled spark plugs are a common culprit. Pop them out, check for wear, and replace them if needed. Your engine will thank you. Clean the throttle body. Another quick fix, clean the throttle body. And over time, gunk builds up and messes with your engine's airflow. A little throttle body cleaner can work wonders. Check for vacuum leaks. Now, vacuum leaks. These sneaky little problems can cause all sorts of issues, including a rough idle. Listen for hissing sounds or use a smoke tester to find leaks. Fuel system maintenance. Finally, don't forget about your fuel system. Dirty fuel injectors or a clogged fuel filter can starve your engine. Try a fuel system cleaner or replace the filter if needed. And there you have it, 5 symptoms to watch out for and 5 fixes to get your car running smooth again. Remember, a rough idle isn't just annoying. It's your car's way of telling you something's wrong. So, don't ignore it. If you try these fixes and your car still isn't happy, it might be time to visit a mechanic. But for most of us, these simple steps can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.